I'm Jason Pantalone, Managing Partner and President of National Homes. So National Homes has always been innovative in our whole tagline being, "You are the blueprint," and customer focused. And we felt that this new age of innovation and technology was strategically important, not only for us, but for our homeowners to hear what they needed in a home so that we could apply that into the design and construction of our new developments and communities across the GTA.
My name is Matthew Pantalone from National Homes. I'm the Director of Land Acquisitions and Managing Partner. So I think it's important for National Homes to be thinking about technology. National Homes is looking for long-term solutions.
I'd like to thank all the strategic partners that came out today. It was great to get their input on the different experiences that homeowners could have in their home, and to hear the feedback, and now to take it back to our team to develop and design the best home that we can for every community that we're developing in.